These are the exact materials you'll need to create your very own hexahexaflexagon. First off, you create a point on a sheet of paper, and then you create a ray from that point using a pencil and a ruler. Then, you create a line segment on that ray that you will use throughout the creation of a hexahexaflexagon. My line segment was 1.5 inches, so I set my compass to that length, and I drew a semicircle starting on the line, and it went counterclockwise. Do this all the way down the ray, setting your needle on the previously marked point while keeping your compass the same length as the original line segment. Then, do this from the other side, going the exact same way. Once you made all of your compass marks, you want to create points where the arcs intersect each other above the original ray and where the arcs intersect the ray. Connect all of those dots to create equilateral triangles. For the creation of your hexahexaflexagon, there are 6 sides. In the front, it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in the glue spot, which is the 19th triangle. So you want to make sure you have 19 triangles, and 19 being the leftover one, and 1 through 18 are numbered 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in that order. Once you have the sides of your hexahexaflexagon labeled, you want to color them different colors. For side 1, I just used white, and for side 2, I used a blue outline, and then for side 3, I used a yellow outline. When you cut the hexahexaflexagon, you want to cut along the outsides of the triangles. You don't want to cut each triangle individually, you want to cut them all at once. And then after you cut, you want to fold your triangles. So the first one you fold over onto the second one, and the second one you fold behind the next one. So you just want to do the over and then under fold. You want to keep on doing that all the way down. Once you have your hexahexaflexagon folded, you want to flip it around, and you want to label the other sides 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, and then the glue spot. For the 4 side, I just used pink diagonal lines. For the 5 side, I just used green diagonal lines. And then for the 6 side, I just used circles, orange circles. So to create your hexahexaflexagon, you want to hold 1 and 2 and keep them stationary, and take 3 and wrap it around 2, so you get 1 and then 2, 2, and you keep 3 and wrap the rest around 3, and you just keep on doing that until you have 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3 in the glue spot. And then you do the same exact fold again, so you get all of your side 2 on one side, and you have another side on the back, which would be side 3. And then you want to fold over 1, so 1 goes behind 2, and then you want to fold the glue spot so they're right on each other, and then you either glue them or tape them. And then you get your hexahexaflexagon, and what I did was I went through every single side, and I made triangles so I could, and I used scissors so I could make the creases better and more crisp, so it would be easier to turn my hexahexaflexagon. And this is just showing all 6 sides of the hexahexaflexagon. To find all 6 sides, you have to use a Tuckerman traverse, which shows the diagram for how to get to each side.